Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am continue to solve KCET 2021 mathematics question paper. Let's start the video. 51st question is, let A equals x such that x belongs to R and x is not a positive integer. Defined f from A to R as f of x equals 2x by x minus 1. Then f is, let's given function is f of x equals 2x by x minus 1. Therefore, f of x1 equals 2x1 by x minus 1 and f of x2 equals 2x2 by x2 minus 1. Now, if f of x is 1, 1, that means injective, then x1 equals x2 if f of x1 equals f of x2. So, if f of x1 equals f of x2, which implies 2x1 by x minus 1 equals 2x2 by x2 minus 1, which implies x2 minus 1 into x1 equals x1 minus 1 into x2. That is x1 x2 minus x1 equals x1 x2 minus x2, which implies x1 equals x2. Therefore, given function is 1, 1. Now, for onto, that is surjective, take 2x by x minus 1 equals y, which implies 2x by 2x minus 2 equals y by 2. Now, apply componendo dividendo rule, then we get 4x minus 2 by 2 equals y plus 2 by y minus 2, which implies 2x minus 1 equals y plus 2 by y minus 2. Therefore, 2x equals 2x by y minus 2, which implies x equals y by y minus 2. So, if function is surjective, then x should be defined for all values of y. But here, x is not defined at y equals 2 because denominator becomes 0. Therefore, function is not surjective. So option A is correct. 52nd question is, the function f of x equals root 3 sin 2x minus cos 2x plus 4 is 1, 1 in the interval. So given function is f of x equals root 3 sin 2x minus cos 2x plus 4. Now take 2 as common from RHS. Then f of x equals 2 into root 3 by 2 sin 2x minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 2, which equals 2 into sin 2x into cos pi by 6 minus cos 2x into sin pi by 6 plus 2, which equals 2 into sin 2x minus pi by 6 plus 2, because sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is sin of a minus b. Now f of x equals 2 into sin of 2x minus pi by 6 plus 2. Here f of x is 1, 1 if angle should be belongs to its principal domain. That means f of x is 1, 1 if minus pi by 2 is less than or equal to 2x minus pi by 6 less than or equal to pi by 2. Therefore, pi by 6 minus pi by 2 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to pi by 2 plus pi by 6. That is minus pi by 3 less than or equal to 2x less than or equal to 2 pi by 3. Which implies minus pi by 6 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to pi by 3. Therefore, x belongs to the interval minus pi by 6 comma pi by 3. So, option A is correct. 53rd question is, domain of the function f of x equals 1 by square root of step x square minus step x minus 6, where step x is greatest integer less than or equal to x is. Let's take given function. Now here f of x is defined if and only if step x square minus step x minus 6 is greater than 0, because due to it is in denominator it should not be equal to 0, and due to it is under square root it should be greater than 0. That means it should not be equal to any negative value. Therefore, step x square minus step x minus 6 is greater than 0. That is step x square minus 3 minus 2 into step x minus 3 into minus 2. That is step x square minus 3 into minus 2 into step x minus 3 into 2, which is greater than 0. Therefore, step x minus 3 into step x plus 2 is greater than 0. So, if step x minus 3 greater than 0, then step x plus 2 greater than 0, which implies step x greater than 3 and step x greater than minus 2, which implies step x greater than 3, which implies x belongs to 4 comma infinity. Now if step x minus 3 is less than 0, then step x plus 2 also less than 0, which implies step x is less than 3 and step x less than minus 2, which implies step x is less than minus 2. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 3 in the closed interval, which implies x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 in open interval. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 2 union 4 comma infinity. So option A is correct. 54th question is cos of cot inverse of minus root 3 plus pi by 6 equals. Let's take E equals cos of cot inverse of minus root 3 plus pi by 6. That is, E equals cos of cot inverse of minus root 3 is pi minus cot inverse of root 3. Therefore, E equals cos of pi minus cot inverse of root 3 plus pi by 6, which equals cos of pi minus pi by 6 plus pi by 6, which equals cos pi, that is minus 1. So option D is correct. 55th question is tan inverse of 1 by root 3 into sin 5 pi by 2 into sin inverse of cos of sin inverse of root 3 by 2 equals. Let's take A equals tan inverse of 1 by root 3 sin 5 pi by 2 into sin inverse of cos of sin inverse of root 3 by 2, which equals tan inverse of 1 by root 3 into sin pi by 2 into sin inverse of cos pi by 3, because sin inverse of root 3 by 2 is pi by 3. Therefore, E equals tan inverse of sin pi by 2 is 1. Therefore, E equals tan inverse of 1 by root 3 into sin inverse of 1 by 2, which equals pi by 6 into pi by 6, which equals pi by 6 whole square. So, none of the option is correct. 56th question is, if A equals matrix 1 minus 2 1, 2 1 3 and B equals matrix 2 1 3 2 1 1, then transpose of AB is equal to. Now, given that A equals matrix 1 minus 2 1, 2 1 3 and B equals matrix 2 1 3 2 1 1. Therefore, AB will be equals matrix 1 minus 2 1 2 1 3 into matrix 2 1 3 2 1 1, which equals 2 minus 6 plus 1, 1 minus 4 plus 1, 4 plus 3 plus 3 and 2 plus 2 plus 3, which equals matrix minus 3 10 minus 2 7. This is matrix AB. We know that if A equals matrix AB CD, then transpose of A is equal to AC BD. Therefore, transpose of AB will be equals minus 3 10 minus 2 7. So option B is correct. 57th question is, let M be 2 cross 2 symmetric matrix with integer entries, then M is invertible if. Now, by given data, M equals ACCB because it is symmetric matrix. So for option A, matrix will be M equals CCCC because from option A, first column of M is transpose of second row. Due to it is symmetric also, matrix will be M equals matrix CCCC. So if M is invertible, then determinant M should not be equal to 0. But here, determinant equals C square minus C square, which equals 0. So option A is not correct. Similarly, for option B also, matrix will be same only. That is M equals matrix CCCC. So here also determinant M equals 0. Therefore option B is also not correct. For option C, matrix will be M equals matrix A0 0B because from option C, M is a diagonal matrix with non-zero entries in the principal diagonal. Therefore, M will be equals matrix A0 0B, and here determinant M is equals to AB. Therefore, it is not equal to 0 because A comma B is also not equal to 0. Therefore, option C is correct. If you verify the option D also, for option D, determinant of M will be equals AB minus C square, but they given that AB is equal to C square. Therefore, determinant M will be equal 0. So option D is also not correct. So option C is correct option only. 58th question is, if A and B are matrices of order 3 and determinant A equals 5 and determinant B equals 3, then determinant of 3AB is. So given that determinant A equals 5 and determinant B equals 3. We know that if A is a matrix of order n, then determinant A into A equals A power n into determinant A. Therefore, due to here A and B are matrices of order 3, determinant 3AB equals 3 power 3 into determinant A into determinant B, which equals 27 into 5 into 3, which equals 405. So option B is correct. 59th question is, if A and B are invertible matrices, then which of the following is not correct? So we know that A inverse equals 1 by determinant A into adjoint of A, which implies adjoint of A equals determinant A into A inverse. Therefore option A is correct. Now we also know that A into A inverse equals identity matrix, that is I, which implies A inverse equals I by A. Therefore determinant of A inverse equals determinant of I by A, which equals determinant of I is 1. Therefore determinant of A inverse equals 1 by determinant A, which implies determinant of A inverse equals determinant of A whole power minus 1. So option B is also correct. Now we know that B inverse into A inverse into AB equals B inverse into A inverse into A into B, which equals B inverse into A inverse into A is I into B, which equals B into B inverse, which equals I. Therefore B inverse into A inverse into AB equals I, which implies B inverse into A inverse equals AB whole inverse. So option C is also correct. But if A plus B whole inverse equals B inverse plus A inverse, then A plus B into B inverse plus A inverse equals I. That is A into B inverse plus A into A inverse, that is I, plus B into B inverse, that is also I, plus B into A inverse, which equals I. But it is not possible. So option D is not correct. 60th question is, if f of x equals determinant cos x 1 0, 0 2 cos x 3, 0 1 2 cos x, then limit x tends to pi f of x equals. Here take given function f of x. So expand the given determinant along first column. Then we get f of x equals cos x into 4 cos square x minus 3, which equals 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, which equals cos 3x. Therefore limit x tends to pi f of x equals limit x tends to pi cos 3x, which equals cos 3 pi, which is minus 1. So option A is correct. If you like this video, then press the like button. If you got any benefit from this video, then share this video with your friends also. If you have any query regarding problem solving, then comment on the video. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.